Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Anexi Sound from Vogastar, and today I'm going to share with you 7 habits keeping you poor even if you earn money. Some people make money every month, but the account balance is always on life support. It's not the economy, it's a bad financial habits. You work hard, but your bank account is allergic to grow. Okay, this post will slap sense into you. Brutal threat. Number 1. Spending more as you earn more. Salary increased, you increased your lifestyle. Got a raise, you moved to a big apartment. Made extra cash, you started eating shawarma every night. Instead of saving and investing, you upgrade your expenses immediately. That's why despite earning more, you're still broke. Solution: keep your expenses low. Increase your savings and investment, not just your lifestyle. Number 2, no budget, just vibes. Money enters your account, you just start spending anyhow, buying random things like a politician during elections, rent, food, savings, investments, nothing is planned. Then by mid-month, you're asking for urgent 2K. Solution: budget your money before spend it. Know where every cent should go. Number 3, borrowing money for things you don't need. Your account is on red, but you're borrowing money for like a new iPhone, a wedding you can't afford, clothes you only wear once for Instagram. Oga, you're not being responsible. You're digging your financial grave. Solution: borrow only for things that will make you money, not to impress people who don't care. Number 4, saving without investing. You think you're doing well because you save? Saving is good, but inflation will humble your savings if you don't invest. Your $100 savings today will buy you pure water in 10 years. Wealth is built by investing, not just saving. Solution: invest in things that grow your money. Real estate, stocks, businesses, or skills that increase your earning power. Number 5, living for today, forgetting tomorrow. You spend like you have a spare life somewhere. No emergency fund, no future plan, no retirement savings. When trouble comes, you start disturbing people with like, bro, I beg messages. Solution: plan for the future. The money wasted today could be your lifetime tomorrow. Number 6, trying to impress people who don't care. You buy expensive things not because you need them, but because you want to show people you have arrived. New iPhone, you buy. Designer clothes, you buy. Expensive car, you buy. Meanwhile, your bank account is crying for help. Solution: stop spending to impress. The people you're trying to impress are not even watching. Can you imagine? Number 7, ignoring new sources of income. In 2025, one source of income is a financial suicide mission. Salary alone can't save you. If your boss wakes up tomorrow and fires you, what will you do? Solution: create multiple income streams. Start a side hustle, learn a high-paying skill, invest, or create something that makes money even while you sleep. Bottom line: if you're always broke, your problem is not lack of money. It's your bad money habit. Live below your means. Invest before you flex. Budget your money. Focus on your growth, not impressing people. Your village people are not the problem. Your habits are. If this video touched you, don't cry. Just change your ways. And that's our 7 habits that keeps you broke even if you earn money. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Let's meet to our next video.